guys, in today's video I'm gonna take you guys along with me for my day. I have a girl brunch. We're celebrating someone's birthday. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to do my nails. I have them painted, but they're kind of peeling off at the edges, and I thought that I could do my gel-X nails that I haven't done for a while, and I actually do that at home. It's super easy and quick. Last time I did it was like in July for my graduation. I'm also gonna take you guys along with me shopping for the present. Okay, so my outfit options are for Rio jumpsuit that I just showed you in my recent thrift haul. It's so cute, but I do have to get this ironed, and I feel like the color is given more nighttime. Next, I have this dress that I thrifted on Christmas Eve, and it's so pretty. I think this one is given brunch, but I think this one is definitely given more of a Sunday brunch vibe, and since I got this tailored, I've been dying to wear it. First, I'm gonna need my nail extensions. I got these from Shein almost a year ago, and they've lasted for the longest time. I need a nail file, my top coat, my nail polish that I'm using, which is the exact same red color that I have on, and this is in the color Thrill of Brazil by OPI. My nail glue, which is also from Shein, nail polish remover, and some cotton balls just to remove the one that I have on. Plus, you need to dehydrate the nails before the nail extensions. I have my UV lamp. It's all pretty self-explanatory, but I'm gonna show you guys through a time lapse everything that I do. Get done. Here is how they turned out. Sorry, I don't have the best lighting right now, but I'll show you later. So you guys can see I'm not wearing the clothes that I said because the birthday girl ended up sleeping in, and so the birthday brunch got postponed to a birthday dinner instead. So that'll give me enough time to get her a present and then run a couple more errands that I have. My mom and I made it to the thrift store because I think that I'm gonna give her a Sephora gift card because she loves makeup, and then also I'm trying to find her some gym clothes. She has actually come with me to the thrift store to get some gym clothes, but there's not always that many things, so I want to see if I can find something for her here. By the way, here is how my nails turned out. I think they look so cute. I don't anticipate I'm gonna be wearing them for too long just because of convenience. They look pretty cute for right now, especially with the ring that I put on. Yeah, it's currently 1 p.m. Let's get my errands running. I'm wearing this top by Maeve. Thrifted this last year. My Halara jeans and my Veja sneakers. And then I have my everyday bag. I want to see if I can find her some gym clothes because she loves going to the gym and she loves makeup, so I'm gonna get her a Sephora gift card, and then I'm gonna try to get her some leggings from the thrift store. Of course, I'm also gonna browse around and bring you guys along for it. Look how adorable these are. They're in an 8.5. My mom doesn't want them though, and they don't fit me, but they are so freaking cute. These are the loafers. I don't like the shade of them, but I do like the combination of animal print with the black. They're so delicate. They're in an 8.5 though, but so cute. These are so cute for Valentine's Day. They kind of look like a rose. These look like the Lorraine loafer by Sam Edelman. have them. I did see this plaid Levi's crop top in a size medium, but I've not been wearing too many crop tops lately. So cute. Just found this little top in this pink color with glitter. It is so cute. The material does feel a little bit scratchy. I think I will have to bring this to the try-on, to the dressing room, because I do need to see how it feels on my body. But I'm gonna put it in the cup for now. It has no tag what brand it is. On this top, by a brand called A Pea in the Pot. I don't have too many white tops, so I'm also gonna put this in the cart. It's brand new. Look at this skirt. So cute. This one with cherries all over. I saw this the other day. This one too. This denim skirt, this maxi, but it's not in my size. And if you guys remember from my Valentine's Day video, the first one that I did, I just found the matching skirt. I'm not gonna get it just because I don't really like it as a set, but it is really cool that I found the matching skirt. So many fun little maxis today. So many cool prints. This one is so cute for fall. So many cute prints. Look at this blue one. It's like in the swimsuit material. I think this is definitely a dress. So cute for a tropical vacation, and I say that while I live in the tropics, but I don't really go to the beach that often. This color is so beautiful. I just wish that they had some sort of floral skirt, but in more of a spring or summer print. Look at these pants. These are so Y2K. I don't know if you can see the animal print on these. And then this buckle. These khaki ones. These are even cute for the birthday girls. I think that she would like these.
Esa es una capa de un disfraz, obviamente.
This one is so cute, but it's just a little too big. Finally made it into the section that I actually came for. Look at these floral leggings. I would never wear this to work out, but it is so cute, and she would never wear it to work out. But I'm looking for some solid colored leggings, maybe like navy, gray, some black ones, full length, or some biker shorts. That's what she mostly wears, but nothing with prints on it. Just found these ones. These are by Fabletics, and they're plain black. They have pockets. I think she will like these. Did find her these other leggings. I just don't know if she will love this color. I ended up getting her 3 leggings, and so the first one was this purple one with pink. I really hope that she likes this color because, like I said, she usually goes for neutral ones. Found this gray ones by American Eagle. And then lastly, we have these Fabletics in black. So I think she will really like these because, like I said, she wears black a lot. So that's the only thing that I got. I ended up not thrifting anything for myself. I was going to get those cream cargo pants, but then I decided that they were not too much my style, even though they were super cute. My mom and I are heading to home decor stuff. If you guys saw my Vlogmas videos, there was this influencer, this local influencer who was promoting these products, and then when we got to the store, they were already sold out. So we're kind of doing the same thing today, but we'll see if they're still available. So some hair ties, some bobby pins, one of these, But I also kind of like the animal print. I think I'm gonna go with this one. These water bottles, but it's shaped like a camera lens. So I just got some bobby pins, some hair ties, and then this little pearl clip. Got this new protein. I've seen a lot of people recommend it. This is the Sasha Fitness one, and it has 25 grams of protein per serving, which the one that I usually get only has 18. Moisturizing lotion to add to my skincare routine because I use a cleanser. Next day, I'm about to head to the gym. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon for the next video.